Hello everyone, welcome to How to Videos. In this video, we will see how can we use the command palette from PowerToys. So, without any further delay, let's dive into the demonstration. This is the command palette. To activate the command palette, you can use this shortcut key. To modify the shortcut key, you need to go to the settings and then you can change the shortcut key here under activation key using this button. You can change all these settings according to your preferences, and there are extensions which you can enable or disable according to your wish. Let's see some of the tools that command palette has. First is the apps list. You can just make a search between all the apps that you have in your system. For example, I want to search for PowerToys, so I can use PowerToys and it highlights this one. I can run as an administrator, or I can do any of these options. Next is add bookmark. You can use this option to add bookmark, and to switch between windows you can use this one. Let me show you how can you add a bookmark. To add a bookmark, double click on this one and you can just fill this form. For the name, I want to give it as demo, or okay, let it be demo. I just add the YouTube URL here and I hit save. The bookmark has been added and I can open it from here. The bookmark has opened. I can modify the bookmark by using edit bookmark, or I can delete it from here and go to delete bookmark. In case I wish to search some option, I can just type in here. Okay, I want to do this. The bookmark has been deleted. Hope you find this video helpful. Like, share, and subscribe for more such videos. Thanks for watching.